Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Mrs. Mokele. Let us relate, transcribe and sound the following words together. Okay, I'm opening up the slashes now so we can transcribe and sound them together. I'm done. The first word here is author. And this one is word. And this is priest. And this one is God. And this one is church. And this one is can. I'm going to write it small. Can. Great. Gay. And the next one is marker cover. Bible. And this one is preach. Alright. And close them up so we can sound them together. It's a very long word. I hope you send it. I'm done. Okay? Altar. Altar. Word. Word. Priest. Priest. God. God. Church. Church. Congregation. Congregation. Bible. Bible. Preach. Preach. I'll go over it just once more. Altar. Word. Priest. God. Church. Congregation. Congregation. Bible. Bible. Preach. Preach. Thank you. The Lord bless you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.